Good evening. I'm Chanel, vehicle title expert and owner of Wisdom and Authority Title Solutions. Thank y'all so much for tuning in tonight. Before I start tonight's segment, I want to ask you guys to please share, click, and subscribe to my channel. I am bringing very valuable information pertaining to auto title matters. I'm giving y'all information that the DMV will not give you unless you go there and you find yourself rejected. A lot of you try to call the DMV, they don't answer the phone or the lines are busy. So I'm giving you a lot of information as it pertains to auto title matters. So I hope you like the content. I hope you share it. Please subscribe to my channel. We want to get this information out to as many people as possible so that you can stop getting hassled by DMV confusion as it pertains to auto title matters, and you can also stop getting rejected. So thank you so much for tuning in. Please click, share, and subscribe. Tonight I will be starting a new series entitled Power of Attorneys and Auto Titles. Power of Attorneys and Auto Titles. I will be using the abbreviation POA for short. Okay, so this is a new series I'll be starting. Tonight will be an introduction to POAs and auto title processing. Tonight's segment, I will talk about the purpose or the role of the POA, and then I will share two examples in which POAs cannot be used. So first of all, the purpose of POAs as it pertains to auto title processing is to allow the person who's signing on behalf of the grantor to sign for that person because they are not present or they can't be present. That's the first part. The second part of the POA is so that you can receive the title for that person in the event they're not able to be at the dealership, the bank, DMV, or wherever the transaction is taking place. So again, the purpose is to sign for someone because they're not able to be present, or to get a title on behalf of that person because they're not present during that example as well. Moving forward, there are two examples in which power of attorney cannot be used. The first example is in the event of someone's passing. So if a person has granted POA and they pass, that POA is null and void upon their death. So if you're trying to sign on a title or MCO or supporting documentation after that person has passed, you would not be able to do so, and the DMV will reject your transaction because you cannot sign POA on behalf of a deceased person. So keep that in mind. Another example in which you cannot use POA is on an odometer disclosure statement. The reason being is because on the odometer disclosure statement, it is understood that the parties affected by this transaction or in question, they have to be consenting to the data, to the mileage that the vehicle has. So if you give POA to someone, essentially, and you're not there, they could just put down any type of number on the odometer disclosure statement and you're not aware of it. A title problem could arise down the road and you could essentially be defrauded. So federal law does have this in place to protect the consumer, also the seller of the vehicle. So keep that in mind. So this segment tonight was very brief. I just wanted to give you guys a brief introduction on power of attorneys or POAs as it pertains to the auto title process. If you have any POA related matters regarding auto title processing, please feel free to visit me and my team at wisdomandauthority.com or drop me a line below. Thank you so much for tuning in tonight. Please check me out on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.